Hey guys, today we are playing Don't Press the Button. It's a fun game on Roblox. So yeah, I'm gonna be playing Don't Press the Button today. It's really fun. So it's made for all ages. So like you have to press the button. You don't have to. If you press the button, something bad or something good will happen. So right now I think we have to press the button. Press it. Boom. Oh, I should have never. I decided. Okay, here we go. It loaded up. Give me this coin. It disappeared. Alright, I'm staying with somebody. I'm staying with you. That's Doge. It's so dark. No, horse lover. Dang it. Oh well, better luck next time. Track way more. So that. Okay, there's all of these dancing Doges. I don't know where they're coming from. I'm gonna press the button. I pressed the button. What happened? Time to click. Spam click. 1, 2. I'm spamming it. Time's up. Let's see what the results are. Ooh, coin. Nice. Oh gosh, that's what happens when you probably press it 100 times. Oh my gosh, horse lover died. I'm gonna press it.
I like singing. I like dancing. I like trains.
Where's it going? Oh, I know that meme. The lava spawner. Boom. No, I died. I didn't survive. No, my lucky coins. They didn't work. Hey, what happened? Why am I stuck here? Alright, I guess I gotta watch them. I'm gonna just like cheer them on if this chat will work. Go. I'm gonna say go, peeps. Yeah, that's a good one. Go, peeps. Oh, I fell. Yes, give me coins. Press. Whoa, I am extremely fast. Woo, I'm like Sonic the Hedgehog, baby. Woo! If I had a race, I would beat all these people. Boop. Oh, I was about to die there. Good thing I didn't die. I'm pressing it. Oh my goodness.
That's a lot of damage.
Who's in there? Get in the house. Whoa. Everybody inside the house. The house broke. Oh no. It's acid rain. Help. Whoop. Oh wow, that was crazy. I'm still kind of fast.
I like dancing.
Oh no. Oh my goodness, that scared me. I literally jumped. Like, not really jump. You would hear if I jumped. But that's so scary. Boulders coming. What? Ah! Dang it. I always lose this game. Alright, I'm going to press the button. No. Me! Yes. What's going to happen? Watch out. Boulders. Really? Perfect shape. Coin, 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 coin. Yes. If it's that boulder game again. Ah, it's a body. It's a body. No, get away! It's Baldy! He's smacking his ruler. He's going crazy! Help! I've fallen and I can't get up! Ah! Press the button! Press it! We don't want Baldy. Press it. Who's that? Are you serious? Is this like an Enderman in Minecraft or something? Because he just... What happened to my face? My face! Baldy took my face! Oh, I know what this is. Pooping. No! Get me in! Get me in! Eat me, noob. Eat me. Blech. Oh, dang it. He just put me out. Oh, that's just ew. Why would you do that to my poor face? Well, at least he killed me anyway. No! What's about to happen? No! I want to do it too! No! I died at the wrong time. Dang it. And I get to watch all these people suffer. I want to do it too. Oh, wow, we can stand on people's head? I'm not sure if I can do that. Oh, wow, I'm just going to stand. I can't. But, dang it. Oh, come on. Glitch me out of here. Coins. Dang it. What's this? Oh, no, not this again.
That's a lot of damage.
What's going to happen now? Oh, gosh. This. No! Dang it, I fell again. Alright, I'm done falling for this time. I am going to make it. Whatever, however. I might die still. Oh well. Go and click that button. Are you serious? It's Baldy again. Click it, click it. Get me out of Baldi's. I don't want to be with Baldy. He's extremely rude. Run, everybody, run. Get your coins and run. Get the lucky coin. Me. That was supposed to be my lucky coin for me not dying. Where's Baldy? Press. Spin click. Ready. 2, 1. Move! Again, 96 times. I'm the only one that's doing all of the clicking gear. Boo! Boo! Dude, get off. I keep on calling him Boo. I don't know why. Why? No! Get off. No! I'm spamming! This better not be 96. Dang it, I was gonna get it at 100. If I just expanded my thumb on there, it would be great. Alright, people, move aside. The button presser's gotta come. Die! No! Dang it. Look at these people having so much fun. I'm just falling in the grass. I must die. What? I'm just gonna do a shoe while here. I'm just gonna do the shoe here. And now I gotta do the question. Like, don't die, don't die, don't die.
Hey, read this song. Guys. Oh my god, oh my god.
Dang it. So none of us didn't even survive. Give me coin. Give me coin. Give me coin. You're always getting those coins. Spam it. What?
Now that's a victory royale.
No, it's my coin. No. I hate this dude. He keeps on getting my coin.
Oh my god.
Fatty. I just called him Fatty. Boom. Going this red. Going this red one. Bees, be safe. Okay. I'm jumping. I'm gonna die. Dude, get out of my way. I'm running. I'm running. No! Oh well. I survived anyway. I keep on dying. I'm unlucky. Super unlucky. Bleh. Oh yes, boys! Let's go! And get all the coins with this speed. Vroom! Supersonic, vroom! I keep on dying.
I like dancing. I like trains.
Oh, Train, are you okay? You just died with me. Everyone's dying now because of you. No! Get me out of here. I'm great at obbies. Whoop, bloop, bloop. I died again. I'm always dying. Oh, wait, what? Oops. I'm always dying. I'm gonna try again. Dude, stop saying with me. Why do I keep on saying booed instead of dude? Weird. And you just leave me body pieces right here. This is the last round. I'm getting mad. Run, 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 run. Bleh.
So mean.
Reset. Bleh. Please don't be late for anything. Lava's rising. Get up top. Oh no!
You broke the thing. There are zombies.
Lava. Oh, how we will love you. How we will love you. I'm stuck. This is the worst day of my life. Uh-oh. Alright, guys. Well, it's tonight. Oh. What? John Jury. Alright, fine. Fine. One more round because I love this game. All you see. Okay, bye. Alright, guys. So, this is the end of it. Bye, guys. See you later. Hope you like and subscribe. Check out my other videos in my channel.